Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Cast Iron Wednesday. We're doing this month of March for, we're doing Irish meals because St. Patrick's Day is coming up. So I'm making cottage pie, not to be confused with shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie, of course, is made with ground lamb. Cottage pie is made with ground beef. So I'm making cottage pie. So let's get to it. So here are my potatoes and carrot. I'm going to go ahead and peel these. I'll do that off camera. Get these in the water. Alright, gonna add some mushrooms. Add that's basically one whole clove of garlic. Add some Worcestershire sauce. Where is it? We have some tomato paste here. Add some red wine. Should be enough. I'm not measuring, I'm just using feelings. That feels like it's a good amount. And then I'm going to add the carrot. You know, I totally forgot to buy green peas. I was going to go to the store and get some, but while I was looking around the kitchen, I didn't need anything else in the house, so I just said, well, do I go to the store for just one item? Plus, I probably would end up buying some junk. So I figured, screw it. Alright, I'll let that cook down. I'm going to stir in a couple bay leaves as well. Alright. Let that work. Add a little bit more wine. There you go. So all the extra moisture is baked out of the pans, and I already removed the bay leaves, so mince is looking real good. Got my potatoes here, drained and ready to rock and roll. If I can get my camera out in a good angle. There we go. Add a little bit of milk and butter. Not as much. I put too much in it last time I did this, made mash. I don't want to repeat that same mistake, so. Probably gonna need all of this. Go ahead and give these a taste. Oh yeah, got a few little lumps in there, but I don't mind a few lumps in my mashed potatoes. I've been thinking about getting a ricer. I just haven't done it yet. That's one of those little devices that gets all the potatoes nice and smooth. Alright. The next step is to top your mince with your mash. So go ahead and do that. Alright, I went ahead and busted out a spatula. Now the recipes I was looking up online, I was looking at what kind of cheese it said to put on top, and one of the recipes I found said use cheddar, which is what I already have, so I'm gonna sprinkle cheddar cheese on top. Just like that. And let's get this guy in the oven. Probably won't. Oven just heated up, so probably thinking about 350 for maybe about 10 minutes. Well, there she is. I just went ahead and pulled it out. Man, it smells phenomenal. Now it's not all, no, it's melted on top for sure, but it's not all crunchy, but you know, whatever. Oh my God. Whoever's idea it was to have your microwave continuously beep at you. I thought about putting it in a broiler for a bit, but then I'm like super hungry and don't care. So let's get some of this out. I guess. Man, it smells really good. Of course, I could add black pepper. Sort of I add that stuff to everything. Let's go eat. Oh. A little shaky, but well, that's what she looks. You know, I should have added some. I should have picked up a vegetable as well. It could have gone right here, some broccoli, or of course I could have bought peas too, and I didn't. Alrighty. Let's eat it. You know, you'd think I'd remember that where the camera is. Like once I hit record, it always zooms in a little bit. Give this a taste. It's probably 1,000 degrees, but oh man. Hot, but wow, that's good. It's really good. I mean, I did forget a few ingredients, and a side would have been nice, but you know, I would eat this any day of the week. It's delicious. I basically cooked it until all the red wine was gone. It's got a really nice flavor. Beef came out good. Man. Yum. I'm gonna sit down and enjoy this. Or I'm gonna go sit in front of the computer and enjoy this. Donut Operator just uploaded a new video, so gotta go check that out. I do appreciate you watching. Don't forget to check the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday. And the last week's video will be in the end here, somewhere on the screen. And have a good one. Happy St. Patrick's Day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.